Wellness hacks for busy professionals. Staying healthy while juggling a busy work schedule can seem like a monumental task. However, by adopting a few simple and effective wellness hacks, you can prioritize your well-being and maintain your health. This guide is geared towards health enthusiasts looking for practical ways to enhance their productivity and energy through daily routines. Whether you're working at a desk, traveling, or managing a packed calendar, these strategies will seamlessly fit into your day. Micro breaks might be small, but they pack a big punch when it comes to improving mental clarity and overall productivity. These short pauses are simple yet powerful tools for resetting your brain and refocusing your energy. Have you ever been so stuck on a task that your brain feels foggy? I remember a moment like this vividly. One day, while preparing for a major presentation, I hit a mental block after hours of staring at my screen. Frustrated, I decided to step away for a 5-minute break. During that time, I walked around the office and stretched my legs. When I came back, I was surprised at how clear and focused my mind felt. That small pause was all I needed. Science supports this experience. Studies show that taking short breaks every hour boosts cognitive performance and refreshes the brain, improving creativity and decision-making. Try stepping away from your desk for even 2 to 3 minutes every hour. Stretch, take deep breaths, or simply close your eyes for a moment. These quick movements can reduce stress and leave you feeling recharged. Make it a habit to schedule these micro breaks daily. Set a timer or use a productivity app to stay consistent. Over time, you'll notice how these mini recharge sessions significantly enhance your day. For those of us who spend lots of time sitting at a desk, physical tension can quickly accumulate. Incorporating mindful movements into your daily routine is a game changer for overall well-being. Don't worry, you don't need an hour-long workout to feel the results. Start with gentle desk stretches, like neck rolls or shoulder shrugs, for instant relief from stiffness. You can even add standing stretches to improve circulation. Here's a quick routine to try. Push your chair away, stand up, and stretch your arms overhead. Breathe deeply for a few seconds while feeling your muscles elongate. Back at your desk, try seated spinal twists by turning your body gently from side to side. These exercises only take a few minutes, yet they promote blood flow and energize your body. Mindful movement goes beyond physical relief. It also clears mental clutter, leaving you feeling less overwhelmed. These micro movements are ideal for integrating into your daily routine because they're accessible, effective, and easy on time. Commit to moving at least once every hour while at work. Pair these movements with micro breaks to multiply the benefits. As a health enthusiast, you'll love how such small acts improve not just your posture, but also your mood and focus throughout the day. It's tempting to opt for quick fixes, like sugary snacks or caffeine during a busy day. But this can lead to energy crashes and sluggishness later on. Proper nutrition is essential to maintaining long-lasting energy and staying mentally sharp. The key is healthy snacking. Keep your desk stocked with easy, nutrient-dense options, such as mixed nuts, fruit, yogurt, or cut veggies with hummus. These snacks are not only quick to grab, but also provide sustained energy without the crash. Let's not ignore hydration. Did you know that even mild dehydration can make you feel tired and distract you from work? A simple tip is to keep a water bottle within arm's reach and aim to refill it several times during the day. Herbal teas and infused water are excellent alternatives if plain water feels boring. Consider starting your mornings with a nutrient-packed smoothie, combining fresh greens, fruits, and protein for a quick, energizing breakfast. By nourishing your body steadily throughout the day, you'll notice improved concentration, mood, and stamina. Make it a daily ritual. Fuel up wisely before, during, and after work. You'll feel the difference in both your productivity and overall health. In a world overflowing with notifications and screen time, disconnecting has become more challenging than ever. However, a mental detox might be the exact remedy you need to restore calm and focus. Begin with a habit of unplugging for just 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Put your phone on silent or airplane mode, close unnecessary tabs, and intentionally step away from technology. During this time, try mindfulness exercises like deep breathing or meditation. A simple technique is to focus on your breath, counting each inhale and exhale to bring your mind into the present moment. Engaging in a hobby is another fantastic form of mental detox. Whether it's reading, painting, gardening, or playing a musical instrument, dedicating focused time to meaningful activities reduces stress and boosts happiness. Personally, I've found that dedicating the last 15 minutes of my day to journaling works wonders. Writing down my thoughts helps me process the day's events and lets me relax before bed. Pick detox methods that resonate with you and make them part of your daily routine. Even starting small, like having a tech-free lunch break, can create consistency. Over time, these detox habits will leave your mind feeling more refreshed and resilient. Time is precious, and using your energy wisely is the key to tackling everything on your plate. It starts with understanding your peak productivity hours, those times when you feel the most alert and focused. For many, late morning or early afternoon is when energy levels peak, but it could be different for you. Once you've identified your high energy periods, schedule your most important tasks for those times. But even the most energetic moments need structure. Utilize tools like timers or time-blocking apps to break your tasks into manageable chunks. Techniques like the Pomodoro method, where you work intensely for 25 minutes, followed by a short break, can help you sustain focus for longer periods. Make prioritization part of your routine. Each morning, list no more than 3 key tasks to complete by the end of the day. Be realistic about your workload and break down bigger goals into smaller, actionable steps. Finally, don't forget to celebrate wins, no matter how small. A sense of achievement boosts motivation and keeps you moving forward. By harnessing your energy wisely, you'll manage your daily routines efficiently without compromising your health or well-being. Incorporating these 5 wellness hacks into your day isn't just about surviving a busy schedule, it's about thriving in it. Whether it's stepping away from micro breaks, adding mindful movement into your routine, fueling your body with the nutrients it needs, taking time to mentally detox, or optimizing your productivity, these strategies are designed to fit effortlessly into your lifestyle. Developing these habits may feel small at the start, but over time, the cumulative effects will deeply enhance your mental and physical health. As a health enthusiast, you already understand the power of wellness. Now, all it takes is implementing these actionable steps into your daily routine to feel less stressed, more focused, and ultimately healthier. If this resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to elevate your well-being.